back to the channel. Today we are back on the Lexus build. I am going to do the upper 4-link mounts real quick on the rear axle. I just got the holes cleaned up, got the mounts finished cleaned up. This is basically how it's gonna sit. I went ahead and I got some bolts today. I just shanked these, so I cut off the extra. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put these in place over here on the axle. I did already mark the center point. Let me show you here. So we got center, I got a purple line there, and then across there. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna center it on there. I'm gonna run just a handful of tacks all the way around. Then we're gonna burn it in. Alright, so here it is, fully welded in. Did a fat bead across the back just to make sure it was nice and burnt in. And then everything here, see if I can get around here, reaching out far here. I tried to do some real nice hot welds just to make sure I got nice deep penetration. A lot of pressure is going to be on these, so I just wanted to really make sure that they were strong. They are fully welded. Everything is fully welded all the way around. I don't think there's a little spot anywhere that's not welded. So that's that. Let's see if I can show you the front a little bit better here. I did put the spacers in there. I left them in there. Most of the time when I was welding, they were in there until I had to do the insides, and then I took them out just to make sure they held that gap, and then I put them right back in, put the bolts in, because heat sometimes wants to squeeze, so that way, that is also why that extra washer's in there, because the red is the size of the Heim, and then that extra washer inside is just going to be a little bit of just free space. We're going to be adding paint and this and that in there, so that just makes it so you don't have to fight everything going in and out.